Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sync Zendesk tickets with Airtable for triage step by step clearly. To start verifying the sync between Zendesk tickets and Airtable, log into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin settings in the left sidebar. Under the apps category, select Marketplace. Search for an Airtable integration app suitable. Install the integration and follow the prompts to connect it to your Airtable account. Once connected, open your Airtable base where you want to sync the data. In Airtable, set up a new table to hold the Zendesk ticket information. Ensure the table includes all relevant fields such as ticket ID, status, priority, and customer information. Return to your Zendesk account and locate the ticket you want to verify. Check the ticket's details to ensure all information is accurate and complete. After confirming the ticket details, go back to Airtable. Look for the corresponding entry in your Airtable table. Compare the ticket status in Zendesk with the status in Airtable. If discrepancies exist, determine the cause of the sync failure. Make necessary adjustments in either Zendesk or Airtable to resolve the issue. Run a manual sync to see if the changes propagate correctly. Check the records in Airtable again to confirm they match with Zendesk. Repeat this process for additional tickets as needed. Monitor your sync regularly to ensure ongoing accuracy. Document any issues encountered for future reference. Reach out to support if you face persistent syncing problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.